Alright, hey guys, so today we're recording all this snow. There was a blizzard a couple days ago, and guess what? So there was this ginormous pile of snow that went up to like right here, but now it's just all gone. But what I want to do is this big pile of snow from on the side. When you come this way, it looks ginormous. So I'm gonna jump in it. Alright, get back. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's cool. Let's see how deep this is. Whoa! That is deep!
Oh, shoot, honey.
So deep. Look at my foot. That's not all the way it goes, actually. It's way deeper. Whoa! Alright, let's see that. I just cracked the entire avalanche! Whoa! That was an avalanche. Dude, look at this giant jump.
Don't do that. I don't want it in the driveway.
Alright, so now I'm gonna use my sled. Go! It's slowing me down! Meteor! Don't go in this area! It's a life lesson. Alright. Go this way out here. Nice! Alright, so guys, come down here. I'm jumping this big pile. Right here. I'm gonna do a giant cannonball.
I don't want an avalanche.
3, 2, 1. Cannonball! Whoa. This one's deep. Whoa. Okay, I need it. Whoa. I can barely even get out. Whew. It's tough.
Okay, say bye.
Alright, bye guys. Merry Christmas.